Good morning, all. It is December 16th, Thursday, 2020, and we woke up this morning to approximately, I don't know, 2 to 3 feet of snow, probably closer to 3. This is our garage, and we literally cannot even get out of our garage until we shovel or snow blow. Dan is making a little path here for Zed. And yeah, we have 2 cars out here somewhere. I think that's mine over there. And I'm pretty sure that's Nick's car under there. This is crazy. I literally have never seen this much snow here. We thought we were only gonna get maybe up to a foot of snow. I looked outside. I tried to look outside my bedroom window this morning, and it's completely covered with snow. There's my neighbor over there. I don't know if you can see her, but she's snow blowing her driveway. And yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, I don't think we're going anywhere today, anytime soon. So still snowing. It's still gonna be snowing, they say, till at least midday. It's been snowing since yesterday evening. So yeah, this is New York for you. Upstate New York. Oh, there's my other neighbor, he's shoveling. Okay, just thought I'd fill you in on what we're experiencing today. All right, enjoy your day, your nice sunny day.